Good evening and welcome. Welcome to my exam coaching classes. And today also we are continuing with the continuation of the previous video, previous class, that is PYQ, previous year question paper solution for all competitive examinations and questions selected from the previous question papers for quantitative aptitude. So before going to the class, let me tell you we are preparing for the upcoming examinations in the quantitative as well as qualitative part, that is reasoning, numerical ability and English. So this particular previous year question paper session, it is serial number 3, that is session number 3. The 2 sessions which we have already completed, I have a lot of comments received from the students. So based on that, we have selected some of the important questions from the previous papers of SSC CGLE, Staff Selection Commission Examination, Combined Graduate Level Examination. So we will be solving those questions today, and some of the very important concept related to these questions will be discussed. So what I want to tell you, students, if you are preparing for any upcoming competitive examinations, kindly note the important concept, and along with the PYQ, we will be covering the concept also in these videos. Of course, we will be continuing with the classes separately. We will be having topic-wise classes separately. And during PYQ, during previous year question paper solution also, we will be covering the important concept of solution, finding out the solution for different type of questions. When we do it in chapter wise, when we do it, we will be taking a particular chapter and then we will be doing it. But during the PYQ, during the previous year question papers, different type of questions are selected from the question paper, and different type of questions, accordingly different concepts also will be explained while giving solution to these questions. Okay, so I kindly request all of you, kindly make a note of all these important concepts and formula that will definitely help you when you prepare for your competitive examinations. Okay, so let us go to the questions without wasting much of the time, and let us start important questions. Before that, I request all of you, we will be covering the complete quantitative aptitude part here, and we will be covering reasoning part, and we will be covering English, the complete English part for all competitive examination. Today's session, we are selecting only questions from quantitative aptitude. Okay, so requesting you, if you are new to my channel, kindly request you to subscribe for my exam coaching channel, and please don't forget to press the bell button so that all the notifications will come to you on time. Okay, and now we are regularly updating and uploading the videos related to the upcoming competitive examinations. Okay, so this will be very helpful for you, and I'm telling you, you need not to spend a lot of money going for some coaching and all. Everything which is required for your competitive examinations, you will get in this channel absolutely free. Okay, so if you have any queries or comments or questions to be clarified, I have given my WhatsApp number here. You can WhatsApp me or you can call me, and you can clarify all your doubts. Okay, so let us go to the questions, and once again reminding you, kindly subscribe so that all the notifications will come to you on time. Thank you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And here is your next question. And this question is selected from SSC CGLE 2018. And here you will see that x minus 1 by x is equal to 2. Then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Read the question, understand the questions clearly, what is given, and then we will find out the correct answer, how to solve, how to approach these type of questions. And you will find this type of questions very, very common in all of the competitive examinations. Like sometimes they may ask x square, sometimes they may ask x cube, depending upon the question, when x minus 1 by x or x plus 1 by x value are given to you, and you will have to find out x square or x cube, like that. So this is a very common question, and you can expect this type of questions in all the competitive examination. So once the concept is clear, then it is very easy for you to mark the answer very quickly. Okay, so read the question, understand the concept, then we will find out how to solve this type of questions. So I hope you understood the question. Now let us solve it. So here, what is given to us? We have x minus 1 by x is equal to 2. This is what is given in the question. So let us make it as equation 1. This is what is given in the question. Now, what I want to do is, I want to square both the sides. Both the sides I am squaring. So squaring, this is the concept we have to do. You need not to write all these steps when solved in the examination hall. It should be mentally calculated. For explanation, I am writing all these things here. Okay, squaring both sides. When you square both sides, what you will get? Here, when you square, this will become x minus 1 by x whole square. Here, when you square, this will become 2 square. So x minus 1 by x whole square, which is in a formula a minus b all square, right? A minus b all square. What is a minus b all square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. We all know this formula. When I apply this formula here, what will I get? When I apply this formula, I will get x square plus 1 by x square minus 2ab. This 2ab will become 2 into x into 1 by x. So as remember very clearly, first term is a square. A square means here x square. Second term is b square. B square means 1 by x square. And the next term is minus 2ab. So minus I have put here. 2ab means 2 into, in place of a we have what? In place of a we have x. In place of b we have 1 by x. So 1 by x will come. So this x and this x get cancelled. So what is left now? 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So this will become 2. Is equal to, what is we have in the right hand side? Right hand side we have 2 square. What is 2 square? 4. So now what I'm doing is I'm keeping x square plus 1 by x square here, and I am taking this minus 2 to this side. So this will become 4 plus 2. Minus 2 when you transpose to the other side, minus will become plus. So this will become 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Now you see what we need to find out? We need to find out x square plus 1 by x square. That is what we need to find out. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 6. So now you got the answer. What's the answer? X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 6. So accordingly you can mark the correct option from the given answers as option D, 6. Understand what we did here is, the step here is squaring both sides. When you square both sides, you will get x square plus 1 by x square in one side and numbers will go to the other side. Which formula we are using here? We are using the formula a minus b all square formula. So that is why I told you, behind every question there is a concept. If you understand that concept very clearly, then it is very easy for you to solve these type of questions. And these type of questions are very, very common in every competitive examination. So once you are clear how to approach this question, then it becomes very easy. Mentally you can see and find out the answer. So I hope it is clear to you. Please pause the video if it is not clear. Understand the concept very clearly and then write the answer. It will be very easy for you. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Please read this question and understand what is given, the concept. The ratio between the height of a tower and the point at some distance is 5 root 3 is to 5. What will be the angle of elevation? Of course, it is a question from trigonometry. So we have already uploaded many videos on trigonometry. This is based on trigonometry. So let us draw a triangle. So let us draw what is given, height of a tower and a point at some distance. So this is the tower. Let us say this is the tower. And there is some at a point this distance. So let us say this is point P. And this is AB. AB is the tower. So when the height of the tower is 5 root 3x. Let us take it as 5 root 3x. and the distance, let us take it as 5x. Why we are taking 5 root 3x and 5x? Because we have the ratio given 5 root 3x and 5. What will be the angle of elevation? Angle of elevation from this point will be this angle. This angle. Let us take this angle is equal to theta. What will be theta? Theta is equal to how much? That is what we need to find out. Let us explain this with the use of trigonometric functions. And let me tell you, if you are not watched my previous video on trigonometry, how to find out the values of sine, cos, tan and all, kindly watch those videos. Then it will be very useful for you to solve these type of questions. If you are already watched, you know what are trigonometric ratios, then let me explain to you. Here you have this angle you need to find out. For that we got two different sides. What are the two different sides we got? For this angle, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So let me tell you, tan of this theta, tangent. Tan means tangent of this theta angle will be equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. That means tan theta will be equal to, what is opposite side? AB. What is adjacent side? PA. But we know the values of AB. AB is 5 root 3x and PA is 5x. So now you can cancel 5x. What is left? Root 3. So now listen very carefully. Tan theta is equal to root 3. Now here you have values from the table. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 when theta is equal to 30 degree. Tan theta will be is equal to 1 when theta is equal to 45 degree. And tan theta will be equal to root 3 when theta is equal to 60 degree. This is from the table of tan. Similarly, we have table for sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Here we are taking tan because we got tan here. When we have adjacent side and opposite side coming together, then we will take tan. If opposite side with the hypotenuse, this side is called hypo. Opposite and hypo comes, then we will take sine. Adjacent and hypo comes, then we will take cos. And opposite and adjacent comes, then we will take tan. So tan theta is equal to root 3. That is what we got here. Tan theta is equal to root 3. For root 3, what is the value? Theta will be 60 degree, which we have to remember from the table. So the table, how to remember that? Everything we have uploaded in the previous videos. Kindly watch those videos, then it will be very, very useful for you. So now we got theta is equal to 60 degree. Accordingly, you can mark the correct option from the given options. Answer is B, 60 degree. Tan theta is equal to root 3. So theta is equal to 60 degree. From the given options, we have marked B, 60 degree. How to find out? If you are, any one of you have doubt in trigonometric ratios, kindly comment in the comment box. I can make a video exclusively for trigonometry and I can clear all your doubts. Okay, put it in the comment box. If you want any special class for trigonometric ratios, we will be conducting a special video for trigonometric ratios. All the questions based on trigonometry will be solved very easily if you watch those videos. Okay, so I'm sure this is clear to you. Then let us go to the next question. So this is your next question. Successive discount of 20% and 10% is given on an item of rupees 700. Find the selling price. See, this type of questions we can do in different ways. let me tell you two different ways where you can solve these type of questions very easily. Here what is given? We have a successive discounts of 20% and 10% on an item of rupees 700. Find the selling price. So now there is a item which is costing rupees 700. You are giving a first discount of 20%. First discount 1 is 20% and discount 2 is 10%. So now one way we can solve it here like this is, we want to find out what? We want to find out what is the selling price. Selling price will be equal to 700 multiplied by, what is the first discount? 20%. So we will write here as 1 minus 20 divided by 100, and second is 1 minus 10 divided by 100. So now, which will be equal to what? SP is equal to 700 into 1 minus 20, that is 1 minus 20 divided by 100 will become 80 by 100. 1 minus 10 by 100 will become what? 90 by 100. So now you see, you can cut this 2 zeros with this 2 zeros. You can cut this 2 zeros with the 1 0 here and 1 0 here. So SP will be equal to 7 into 8 into 9. So 7 into 8, 56, 56 into 9, 504. So we got the answer 504 from the given option. Yes, of course we have 504 here. So that is the correct answer. Let me explain this very clear to you, and I'll tell you what is the second method. Here what we have done is, first discount is given to you 20%. Second discount is given to you 10%, and total amount is 700. So what we did is 700 multiplied by, first discount is 20%. Out of 100%, you are giving 20% discount. So first one will come how many? How much? 80 by 100, because 20% you have reduced. And second discount is 10%. So out of 100%, you have given 10% discount. So this will be 90 by 100. And when you solve this, you will get 504. This is the first method. Now let me tell you the second method. The second method will be, when, suppose let us say there is an item which is costing 100 rupees. When you give a 20% discount, this will become 80 rupees. And again, when you give a 10% discount, then 80 minus 8 rupees more we will reduce. This will become balance 72. What I am telling, understand very clearly. Suppose there is an item which is costing 100 rupees. Then when you give first discount 20%, this will become 80. 20% you reduced. So 100 will become 80. Again, when you give 10% of this 80, 8 rupees, again it will reduce. Now it will become 72. So this 100 rupees has become 72. That means there is a total discount of 28%. That means if you give 20% and 10% successive discount, the effective discount will be 28%. Understand very clearly. If you give 20% and 10% successive discounts, the effective discount will be equal to 28%. Now, from this concept also, we can find out the answer very easily. Total amount is how much? Total amount is 700 minus 28% of 700. So 700 minus this 28% of 700, cut this 0, 28 into 7 will be equal to 196. So 700 minus 196, we will get 504. This way also you can find out the answer. So always keep it in mind, whenever there is a successive discount of 20% and 10%, the effective discount will be equal to 28%. So when you give a 28% discount on 700, the effective selling price will be equal to 504. This way also you can find out. This method also you can find out. Whichever is easy for you, use it and find out the correct answer. So we got the correct answer, and accordingly we will mark the correct option as 504, option A as the correct answer. Kindly understand the concept and then solve it, then it will be very easy for you. Again, I'm repeating, questions like discount, questions on 1 by x minus 1 by x, and all common questions, trigonometry, these are the common questions for every competitive examination, and you can expect this type of questions in every competitive examination numerical ability part. The more you practice, you increase your speed. So kindly note this, and then let us go to the next question. So here is your next question. Kindly read the question. So the population of a state is 20,000. It increases by 20% during the first year and 30% during the second year. Now this question is also almost same type of the question what we have done in the previous question. There that it was a discount. Discount means it is decreasing. Here the percentage is increasing. So the same method we can use. When we reduced that, decreased, here we have to increase. That's all. The population of a state is 20,000. So let us do this directly. Here what is given is population is given to you 20,000. So initial population was 20,000. Now first year it increases 20%. So 1 plus 20 by 100. In the previous question we have taken 1 minus 20 by 100 because it was a discount. Discount means it will reduce. Here it is increasing, so we will take 1 plus 20 by 100, and then second year it increases 30%. So multiplied by 1 plus 30 by 100. So now when you solve this, you will get 20,000 multiplied by 1 plus 20 by 100 will become 120 by 100, and 1 plus 30 by 100 will become 130 by 100. Similarly, you can cut this 1 0 here, 1 0 here. You can cut these two zeros with a 2 0. So you got 200 into 12 into 13. So 12 into 13, 156. 156 into 2, 312. 312, 00. So 31200. 31200 is the total changes. 156, 31200. So 31200 is a total change, total population increase in population. Population after 2 years. Let us solve it in a different method, the same way what we did in the previous question. When suppose there is 100 population now, and there is an increase of 20%, this will become how much? This will become 120. That is when there is a 20% increase. Again, when there is a 30% increase, this 30% of 120, it will become 36. So 120 plus 36, it will become 156. So from 100, when you see, it becomes 156. The effective percentage is 56%. What I really want to tell you here is, in the first year, if there is a 20% increase, and in the second year, if there is a 30% increase, so 20 plus 30 effective increase will be equal to 56%. What is our first value? 20,000. So 20,000 plus 56% of 20,000. Cut these two zeros with the 20 here. Here it will become 20,000 plus 56 into 20. So 56 into 200. So 31200. So what is the increase? The increase is 31200. Increase. I am talking only about increase. Only about increase will be this amount. 31200. So both way, if you solve, we got the answer 31200. Accordingly, we can mark the correct option as 31200, option C. The same type of question what we have seen in the previous question, there it was a discount. So when we talk about the discount, we will reduce, we will decrease. When there is an increase given, we will just add. The method, the concept remains same. One it is increasing, one it is decreasing. Kindly note, and then let us go to the next question. So the question is, a man spent 60% of his income on different expenditures. 60% is the expenditure. His income is increased by 20%. When the increase is 20%, expenditure is also increased by 10%. Find the percentage decrease in his saving. So again, this type of questions we can approach directly with taking 100 as the base. Let us solve it like this. Suppose initially that the income is equal to 100. Now he spent 60% income, he is the different expenditure. So when expenditure is 60%, expenditure equal to 60%. So what will be the saving? 100 minus 60 equal to 40 rupees. Let us take this value. Now what happened? Income increased 20%. So now income will become how much? 20% increase. So this will become 120. Expenditure also increased by 10%. Expenditure was how much? 60. Now the new expenditure is equal to 10% increase. So 60 will become 70%. So 70% expenditure. So now what is saving? Saving is equal to 120 minus 70% of 120. Cut this zeros. It will become 120 minus 7 into 12. 7 into 12, 84. So 120 minus 84 will be equal to 36. Now let us see. Initially, this person was saving 40 rupees. Now he is saving only 36 rupees. So what is the difference? Difference is 40 minus 36 equal to 4 rupees. That 4 is what percentage of decrease? So now let us say 4 rupees out of 40 multiplied by 100. So here 1 0 and 0 cut. Here you can see 4 and 4 cut. So left with 10%. So what is the decrease in saving? Decrease in saving is 10%. Accordingly, we will mark option A as the correct option. Understand very clearly. Let us take the first initial income is equal to 100 rupees and expenditure is 60. So balance saving will be 100 minus 60 equal to 40 rupees. Now what is the condition given in the question? Income increases 20%. When the income increases 20%, new income will become 120. And expenditure also increases by 10%. So obviously it will become 70. So when expenditure minus income minus expenditure, it will become 120 minus 84, which is equal to 36. Initially, saving was 40. Now saving is only 36. So what is the reduction? 4 rupees. 4 rupees, what percentage of 40? 10% of 40. So accordingly, we can mark the correct option as option A, 10%. Hope this is very clear to you. Pause the video if it is not clear. Understand the concept first and then note it. Let us go to the next question. Kindly read this question, understand what is given, then let us approach this question. Hope you understood the question. Here, what is given in 1 hour? In 1 hour, a boat goes 12 kilometer along the stream. Along the stream is called downstream. This word are very, very important for your examination. Along the stream is called downstream. And 8 kilometer against the stream. Against the stream is called upstream. Find the speed of the boat in still water. So here we have a very, very important formula. You can note the formula. Speed of boat equal to half into downstream speed plus upstream speed. Speed of the boat is given by speed is equal to half into downstream speed. Downstream means when the boat will go along with the water, along with the stream. How much? 12 kilometers. So 12 and plus upstream is given against the water, which is 8 kilometer, which is 8. So how much it will be? 1 by 2 into 12 plus 8, 20. Cut this 2, it will become 10. So what is the speed of boat? 10 kilometer per hour. Accordingly, we will mark the correct option as option C, 10 kilometer per hour. So this concept is very, very clear to you. This formula is very, very, very clear, important to you. Speed of boat is equal to half into downstream speed plus upstream speed. What is downstream? Downstream is when the boat goes along with the water, along with the stream, and upstream is when it goes against the water. Upstream and downstream is very important, and we have already videos uploaded on this concept. Kindly watch those videos and it will be very, very useful for you. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to you. And once again, I request you, we will be meeting with more and more videos in the next class. So again, if you are new to my channel, I request you kindly subscribe, and your support is most important for me. And any doubt, any clarification, kindly don't forget to put in the comment box. I will be personally checking all the comments and I will be clarifying all your doubts. Okay, a number is given here, WhatsApp, or you can call and clarify all your doubts. Any help you require for any competitive examination, quantitative, reasoning and English, you can depend on this channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you for your support. And be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.